Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura. Today we're going to be making some chicken tortilla soup and we're going to jump right on into the video. Here we're going to start by cutting up some corn tortillas into strips. Cut as many as you think you're going to need for your family and then just give them a little toss to break them up. Now we're going to fry them until nice and crispy. And I'm going to take them out of the oil here onto a paper towel and we're going to give them a light dusting of salt, not too much. And now we're going to start with our vegetables. Here I'm using some squash, some calabacita. You can use whatever you like. I'm also going to use some carrots. I dice them into medium cubes. I'm going to jump right into my aromatics. Some garlic, we're just going to smash it. And a half of a yellow onion. I'm just going to quarter it. I am cutting up this gigantic chicken breast. Stock pot, we're going to add our chicken breast and water to cover, adding in our onion, our quartered onion pieces, and our garlic that I just smashed. And we are going to add some salt to taste. Don't overdo it on the salt. Cover and let it cook. Now that our chicken has cooked, I'm going to remove it, place it into another bowl, and I'm going to remove the onion and the garlic. I am going to add in a chile serrano and the vegetables that we used, our squash and carrots. I'm also going to add a bunch of cilantro, and I am going to add a can of garbanzo beans. We're going to let this simmer until the vegetables are cooked. Now we're going to take 2 forks and shred our chicken. This does not take long at all. The chicken is nice and tender, but still juicy. I'm going to reserve it into a plate. And here I'm taking my queso fresco, cutting it into little cubes that we're going to use for the soup. And here, of course, we can't forget our avocado, just giving it a few slices. Now we can put it all together. I'm going to take out that cilantro. It has done its job. We can discard that. Now I'm just going to pour in the broth with the vegetables onto my bowl. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Of course, you add however much you want. That's up to you. Take out that chile serrano. Now I'm going to add in our chicken. Of course, put as much as you want or as little as you want. That's up to each individual. We're going to top it off, of course, with our corn tortilla strips. I'm going to sprinkle on some queso fresco. That goes so good with this soup. Delicious. Now we're going to top it all off with our creamy avocado. How delicious is that? Yummy. Look at this soup. How delicious. For this nice, wonderful, cold winter day. This soup is delicious, guys. You're going to have to give it a try. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That really helps out my channel. Thanks for being here with me today. I appreciate you. Don't forget, share with family and friends. Oh, and don't forget the lime. That goes so good with this. Oh my goodness, look at that. How delicious. Okay, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.